picture. Today is 4/26/25, and this is the now picture. So it's still at 28, -28, and then the before picture. And this is like 10 minutes ago, 20 minutes ago. So same picture. So you notice that it's just 30, -30, -29, -28. So are we at -28? Yep, we're still -28. So we changed out the new Murray O'Reilly condenser, and it's holding vacuum. So right now I'm gonna pull another vacuum, and then after that I'm gonna introduce my dye. Then I'm gonna use the dye I'm gonna put is pack 46. I don't really know if this pack 46 is the same as type 85 HM. That actually don't know. I would have to do some cross referencing. So then I'm going to use this injector to put in my dye. Then I'm going to charge it with AC Pro over there, 14 ounces. And maybe I'll put in 1 ounce of dye. Got to put a measuring cup